Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the power system lecture. So first we will discuss about the single line diagram. So single line diagram, we can get the information of power flow from generation to load. So here I draw the single line diagram. You can see here. So here power is generated by using generator. That generator may be synchronous generator because it's having a high voltage production and power production is there. So that generator will generate the voltage. It can be 11 kV or 33 kV. Then this voltage is going to the transmit, and this transmission is done for high voltage. So you can see here this voltage is a step by using a step up transformer, and here this voltage range will be increases. It may be 165 kilovolt or 220 kilovolt. So this is a transmission line, and these are the buses you can see. So this transmission line area is mostly inductive line, so X value is more than R resistance. So this transmission line, high voltage transmission line, then again in distribution section we can reduce this voltage by using step down voltage transformer. Again here you can see, then the distribution voltage is again reduced further and go for utility for load purpose. So here we can use load maybe 440 volt or 220 volt. So here we see here first concept is that why we are using high voltage transmission. So there is some advantage of high voltage transmission. The first advantage is that power loss is reduced. So we can now prove how power loss is reduced. So we know that power is equal to VI cos phi and losses is I square R. So from equation first we can get the value of I current is equal to P upon V cos phi, and this value we put in the second equation. Then power loss is equal to, in terms of I we can write here P upon V cos phi square into R. So now we can see from this relationship power loss is inversely proportional to V square. So now we can see as the voltage is increases, power loss will be decreases. So another advantage is there that efficiency is improved, and also the copper material is reduced. Copper material is reduced if we are using transmission line copper material, so material will be save of material. Third advantage is voltage drop is reduced. So as you know that voltage drop is equal to V is equal to IR. So as the voltage is reduced, so drop also reduced. So these are the some advantages of high voltage transmission. That's why always the generation point generating voltage, that voltage we have to make it high voltage, so that we will get the power loss will be less, material saving, and also voltage drop is reduced. So this is the some basics of the single line diagrams. In next class we will study further about the power system. Thank you very much.